I started modeling using Corps of Engineers software to design the structures that would contain the beach. Well, early on, we found out that just placing sand along the shoreline, when we ran the model, it was gone within 5 years. So that was immediately off the list as an alternative, right? We continued on. Then we found that groins, which are the structures that are on both sides of the beach, those would limit the sediment that was exiting the system on either end. And the detached breakwaters would eliminate the loss of sand offshore and protect the beach from wave action. So with this type of analysis, we designed what is now called University Beach. But there was more than just the science besides developing this beach, because as we all know, you have to pay for a project like this, and there's only certain types of funding that can be appropriated. So we worked with the Texas General Land Office to receive several grants that would fund both the research as well as down the road, the construction of the beach. The Texas General Land Office is the steward of funds through the Coastal Management Program grant and the Coastal Erosion Planning and Response grant to help communities, to help cities and counties to restore beaches along their shoreline. And the reason they're so concerned about this, the reason they're so dedicated to the restoration and protection of the beaches along our shorelines is to always ensure that there is access to the public to the submerged lands of Texas, which belong to all people of Texas. And this is really something that the TGLO takes very, very seriously. So the TGLO was happy to work with the Texas A&M University-Corpus Christi, the Blucher Institute, and the city of Corpus Christi to restore the beach along the shoreline. And the way that happened was by the university and the Blucher Institute applying for these different grants. And then we were awarded in succession grants to help us along the way, from analysis and research through the design process, through the engineering process, to the construction process. And without the Texas General Land Office, it's safe to say that this beach would not be here today.